Hi, my name is Colin Bain, and I'm a student of mechanical engineering at the University of Minnesota. I'm involved in our University of Minnesota Engineers Without Borders chapter. We're doing a lot of cool work in Ethiopia. Part of what we're doing requires a little bit of testing, so we made a prototype and brought that here to SAFL. And so what we're doing downstairs is we are running water through this system, which we call the Musi Spring Catchment System. And in that system, water is going to be coming down from a spring, and then we're going to catch it in our little system and then pipe it underneath the road. And so we're doing testing of different grades and different flow rates, and with that data, we're going to be able to tell how our system is going to perform in country. We're really excited, and we thank SAFL for the opportunity to come test here.
Here at SAFL, we thought that we have a lot of experience and expertise in this building as part of our applied staff, and we thought that it would be really great if we could partner with an applied group like the Engineers Without Borders on campus. Being primarily undergraduates, they don't have a lot of the experience that would be really helpful in their projects. So bringing them over here and giving them a chance to use our facilities and interact with our staff allows them to have a more robust project and discover a lot of the things that they would discover in their implementation beforehand to make their project even better.